Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can prevent Discord from launching by its own when you start your Windows computer or any other device. Alright, for that you just need to open Discord and then from the left bottom click user settings, and from here you will find this. Okay, just go down and select Windows settings, and from there you just need to disable this. Okay, that's how you do it. This is the first step, but if this doesn't work for you, just go to search and then task manager, and from here you just need to go to startup apps. Keep this in mind, in my Windows it's Windows 11, so you will find this here. In the older version you will find this here. Okay, don't get panic. Okay, this is just a simple thing. Just click the startup apps, and from there you find these updates. As you can see that Discord logo. You just need to right click and disable. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day.